Beneath our feet, the earth is boiling, cracking, and occasionally exploding, and most of us never think twice about it. Today we're diving into volcanoes, the planet's fire vents, and some facts that might change how you look at the ground you're standing on. Let's start with the biggest one you've never heard of. Tamu Massif sits deep under the Pacific Ocean and is considered the largest single volcano on Earth, covering an area roughly the size of New Mexico. It's so massive that scientists once thought it was several volcanoes merged together before realizing it was one giant shield volcano, mostly hidden beneath the waves. Next, let's talk about the supervolcano hiding in plain sight. Yellowstone National Park sits on top of a caldera so large you can only really see its shape from space. If it ever had a full eruption, models suggest ash could blanket much of the United States. Thankfully, eruptions like that happen roughly once every 600,000 years, so it's not exactly due any day soon. Now for something beautiful and bizarre. At Kawah Ijen in Indonesia, sulfuric gases ignite as they escape volcanic vents, creating rivers of electric blue flame that flow down the mountainside at night. It's not the lava itself glowing blue, it's burning sulfur, but the effect looks like something out of science fiction. Of course, no volcano conversation is complete without Pompeii. In 79 AD, Mount Vesuvius buried the Roman city in ash and pumice so quickly that it preserved the final moments of its residents. The famous body casts we see today aren't actual remains, but plaster poured into the cavities left behind in hardened ash after the bodies decomposed. Here's a geographic fact that puts things in perspective. About 75% of the world's active and dormant volcanoes lie along a curved belt around the Pacific Ocean known as the Ring of Fire. This same zone also produces the vast majority of the planet's earthquakes, thanks to constantly shifting tectonic plates. Let's talk about volcanic glass for a moment. When lava cools extremely fast, it can form obsidian, a natural glass so sharp that ancient cultures shaped it into cutting tools and blades. Modern surgeons have even experimented with obsidian scalpels, since a freshly flaked edge can be thinner and sharper than surgical steel. So why do millions of people live near active volcanoes despite the obvious danger? Volcanic soil is incredibly fertile, packed with minerals like potassium and phosphorus that make surrounding farmland some of the most productive on Earth. It's a trade-off communities have made for thousands of years. Finally, let's go to Iceland, a country literally being pulled apart. It sits directly on the mid-Atlantic ridge, where two tectonic plates are drifting apart at about 2 centimeters a year. At the Silfur Fissure, divers can actually swim between the North American and Eurasian plates in real time. From hidden ocean giants to blue fire and cities frozen in ash, volcanoes prove the Earth is very much alive. If you enjoyed these facts, make sure to subscribe for more, and let us know in the comments which fact surprised you the most.